Good morning to all. I'm Rajitha, working as Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department in SNS College of Engineering. Today, we're going to see about the subject that is fundamental of data science and analytics. Let's move on to the subtopic that is setting the research goal. The integration of artificial intelligence in various sectors, including healthcare, business, and entertainment, has transformed the modern world. However, the educational sector has seen a comparatively slowest adoption of AI technologies. As we move into the future, AI has the potential to revolutionize teaching and learning experiences, making education more personalized, efficient, and accessible. Statement of purpose. This research aims to explore the impact of artificial intelligence and on education, focusing on both the positive and negative outcomes. It will examine how AI is being integrated into educational system, the benefits it bring to both students and educator, and the challenges that arise from its implementation. The goal is to evaluate AI's role is transforming education methodologies and improving learning outcomes while also considering ethical concern and the digital divide. Investigation AI tools in used in education. Understanding the types of AI technology currently being applied in educational settings, such as intelligent tutoring system, AI-based learning management platform, and adaptive learning algorithm. Evaluate AI effect on students' learning outcomes, that is, studying how AI influence learning efficiency, engagement, and student performance. Does AI lead to better retention of knowledge or improved problem solving skills? Exploring how AI tools can assist educator in lesson planning, grading, and personalized instruction, allowing them to spend more time on critical teaching activities. Investigating whether AI can help close educational gaps related to socioeconomic status, geography, and accessibility for underserved community. Analyze the ethical issues of AI in education, such as data privacy concern, algorithmic bias, and the risk of inequalities. Speculating on the future tragedies of AI in educational context, considering how emerging technologies will shape classroom and learning environment. Identify constraints and limitations. Acknowledge the constraints early on, such as data availability and resource. This limitation impact the scope and feasibility of the research. For example, incomplete or noisy data may require additional pre-processing. Understanding constraint helps in designing a realistic and achievable approach. Clearly specify the expected deliverable for the project. Deliverable could include predictive models, dashboards, or actionable recommendation. For a healthcare organization, a model predictive patients' readmission rates may be expected. Clearly defined deliverables ensure that the result meet the project objective. And the collaboration in stakeholders, that is regular communication with stakeholders, is vital throughout the project. It ensures the project stays aligned with evolving business priorities. Stakeholders engagement help clarify any changes in scope or expectation. Collaboration fosters a shared understanding of the goal and result. Research question is, what are the current application in AI in education? This question will explore the range of AI technology being used, from AI chatbot and automated feedback system to virtual classrooms and augmented reality learning. How does AI impact the learning experience of students, particularly in terms of engagement and understanding? This will look into how AI creates more interactive and adaptive learning environment that cater to individual needs. In what ways can AI improve administrative and support function in educational system? Understanding how AI can assist with tasks like grading, curriculum design, and student performance tracking and managing classroom dynamics. and considering issues related to bias, privacy, and the potential for automation to replace educator. And how can policymaker ensure equitable access to AI in education for students for all backgrounds, exploring how governments and institutions can bridge the digital divide to ensure AI tools are accessible to underserved community. Setting the research goal provides clarity and focus for the project. It transforms broad business challenges into specific, actionable tasks. A well defined goal drives the project towards meaningful impact and actionable insight. It acts as a roadmap guiding data scientists throughout the analysis process. This research will contribute significantly to the growing body of knowledge on AI in education. By examining the impact of AI technology, it will provide valuable insights into the future of education and how it can be enhanced through intelligent system. The study aims to inform educational practices and ensuring that AI is used in a way that is ethical, inclusive, and beneficial to all learners. In the above structure, I have laid out of a research goal in impact of AI on education. Thank you.